Hello, I hope you are doing well. Mr. Wood, I'm just here to talk to you about your assignments. And I got some kind of bad news I figured out about your assignments. Let's take a look at your 1.1 and 1.3 packet, which is what we worked on today in class. So, you know the website, you go to your home, this is where it begins, and you go to Pages, View All Pages, and you can find the assignments for 1.1, 1.3 right here. And like I told you in the last video, you get the packet from 1.1, 1.3. All the videos are here for you to watch from page 1 through 8. And the actual packet, if you don't have it yet, is on assignments. And under Unit 1, The Great Tapestry, 1.1, 1.3, Developments in East Asia, South and Southeast Asia from 1200 to 1450. So, when you open that up, the packet, it looks like this. But I realized something. I was never able to give you our textbook. And today you have to take notes in the textbook, and you have to use it to answer questions, and you don't have it. And I have no way of getting it to you. So here's my announcement, the big thing you have to do. I hate to say this, but it looks like all you can do is the video notes for now, page 1 through 8 on this packet. And when you get home, contact me. And I will be able to help support you, get you a book, and then you will be able to, I can meet with you, we can put our masks on and everything, spread out, and I can explain to you what you are supposed to be doing next. All right? So I also want to make an announcement that tomorrow on Tuesday is actually going to be our last day of classes. And I'm going to explain to you in another email why that is. And that's going to be one that I'm going to give to you tomorrow. All you can do right now is pages 1 through 8, the videos. If the videos don't work, I'm sorry. Sometimes the copyright is different in Mexico and Ecuador than it is in the United States. So just do pages 1 through 8. Email me when you get back home and let me know when you can come in. And we can meet and we can go over how to get you caught up. You're still in the AP course. Nothing of that has changed. If you get your packets done on Taoism, Hinduism, you can turn Confucianism, all the religion ones we talked about earlier, you can turn those in on Canvas. You can share them with me on your email, and you can turn those in that way too anytime now, and I can correct them. If you have any questions, please send me an email, reply, and just let me know what questions you have. That is all you can do for now, just page 1 through 8 on this packet. I will talk to you guys again tomorrow.